On the Roadhouse, we got a lot of stuff done this weekend, including the windshield, so let's get it started. Just want to let you all know, when you get this Holley oil pan, this expensive one for the LS conversion, all the parts that come inside of it, like this oil filter adapter, they're all made by General Motors. So I'm pretty happy with that. And if you look here, this is the one you're going to need, the PF48E. So installing this today, getting a few little things done today, and hopefully I get it over to my mechanic slash fabricator this week. If I were y'all and working on these old cars, I would definitely invest in one of these grinders where you can put a wire wheel on it. I've actually got two. This one's just got a stand. So yeah, this is definitely what you need, and I'm going to be working on some bolts here. As you can see, there's a big difference. When you're talking about 52-year-old bolts, you can clean them up to make them look brand new. I'm going to mess with this one just a little bit more towards the end there, but here's the difference. Night and day. These are cross member bolts for the transmission. They go in the actual cross member. What I've done here is I've taken these old bolts, cleaned them up, and put them back in, put them into the second location, because this location is actually going to be where the cross member's at for the transmission, but it needs to be worked on, needs some fabrication done to it. So in order for me not to lose these dang things, I went ahead and put them both back in there, just so I can know where they're at later, or Alan at Shaker Racing can figure out what the heck I've done with the bolts. So these other ones, kind of drawn a template there on that piece of cardboard there exactly, but I'm gonna have Alan do it. He can make it a lot more sturdy, and I don't want to deal with it. So that's it for right now. I did clean up underneath the motor a little bit today. You can see all that nastiness right there. I'm going to spend another couple hours underneath here cleaning stuff and getting it ready to go to Alan's. As you can see, my transmission cross member needs another couple inches on it, and I think this right here is angled just a little bit. It's got a little bit of gap in here. And here. So it will be able to come down about a quarter of an inch or more. But I made that template there that I was going to actually do, and but Alan, I'm sure, can take care of it a lot easier than I can. Hank's helping me today. Right, Hank? Hank? There you go, Pooch. But this right here is some of the fabrication Alan's going to take care of for me. He's going to take care of the rest of my fabrication in the next week or two when I get the car over there, and he'll line up the body and everything, and he'll be doing the wiring. I was going to do all the wiring for the car, but I'm behind, so I want to get him to get it started and get it done. I just cleaned up the dash and areas around here, so when the windshield people get here today, well, I already know it's done. So you know, if they do it again, that's great. I'm sure they have better stuff to actually put on it to help the windshield adhere. So here we go. Windshield is they have the windshield, and they're actually just trying to see if they can, their techs can actually put it in a 52-year-old car. So, got me. Windshield in. Pretty excited about it. Finally have it all sealed up. After Alan at Shaker Racing went ahead and got my windshield channels all done. So I'm excited to get this stuff done today. So it'll be done here in about, I guess about 10 minutes or so. Yeah, wasn't too happy with those Dick's Apex when had the blowout. That's a warranty tire right there.
Yeah. It better be.
Jeez.
Those tires look fairly new.
Yeah, they are.
You got ring.
Guys at Auto Glass Now in Springfield went ahead and took care of this. Really good. We had already painted the dash on the inside. Alan at Shaker Racing had already done that, so don't have to worry about that. Well, I'm excited. He told me to let the keep these blocks in here for these little blocks in there for 2 days, and I don't plan on moving the car for 2 days, so I'm not really worried about it. There's windshield and the 67 Impala at the Roadhouse. I had an excellent day today. Car's looking better with the windshield in it, and just want to let y'all know that this is a holiday weekend. I wish y'all a good 4th. And as always, you're going to ride her hard. Don't put her up wet.